Established in 2005, Hangjian Industrial Company Limited is a modern enterprise specializing in office seating furniture production and sales. After more than 20 years of development, our company has an area of 30,000 square meters of factory. Located in Jiangmen City, Guangdong Province, we have a strong independent design, R&D production of excellent management team, but also through the ISO 9001 International Quality System certification, in line with the CE, BIFMA certification standards, while providing OEM, ODM services. Hangjian Office Furniture is designed with the concept of comfort and environmental protection, implement the quality management system in the production, improve the efficiency of the workshop, promote the effective completion of various tasks, and improve the market competitiveness of the product. After 20 years of building, our products have been widely spread in more than 50 countries and regions around the world and domestic major cities. Crafted with ingenuity and durable, based on the use of various materials. Every curve must be meticulous in the drawing, and every cut on the material is carving of the art, and the smooth lines are permeated with the spirit of craftsmanship, perfect technology, chic design, and continuous improvement of quality. Let us win the favor all aspects and praise. Modern and natural. Hangjian Office Furniture high-grade genuine leather series using the latest modern technology and strive to avoid unnecessary processing procedures, retain the natural texture and unique touch of the original leather to give you a natural comfort and cozy. Hangjian Industrial Company Limited is brave to explore, good at learning, learn from advanced production technology, implement the international standards of the office chair industry, focus on the innovation and transformation of office furniture in order to obtain more customers' trust and long-term cooperation. China Hangjian, the new ideas of the office.